Welcome back to Good Old RVing. I'm Greg, and we're going to be discussing the solar system. If you did not watch the previous video on the complete solar system preparation and build, you probably need to watch that one first to understand what this update is going to be all about. And so basically, we're talking about the single battery. Here we go. Okay, here's a little update. What I found out was this is a bad idea. Do not try to do this. Okay. And might as well forget about this too, because you won't need it. Alright. And won't need this either. Well, the shunt you could probably use still, if you want to keep a good track of it. Okay. And so basically the solar panel will just be for the AC side. However, right here, where can I find a pin? Right here, from the Victron Multi-Plus, from the charging side, I'm going to go up here, up here, up here, and here. Alright, and we're going to do the same thing with the negative. We're going to go here, here, shunt. Okay, that's one way. The other way is we could go here to the shunt, but come over here and here, 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 here. This is the OEM converter. And so, what you could do is, if you do not have the inverter yet, your Victron inverter yet, you can keep that battery charged off your OEM converter if it's the right make and model number, which this is a WF9865, and it has 3-stage charging. Bulk is 14.4. And for the Battleborn batteries, the minimum is 14.4, and so possibly get away with that. Okay, and so basically, don't have to touch any of the solar panels. That could all be left alone. That could all be left alone. That still configuring, it should make it 12 or 24 volts. And that's another thing. If it is 24. Do I need a DC to DC converter? If this is 24 volts. Okay, so this is the update. And so I guess the answer to this question is yes, there is a better way. All right, that's all I got. And stay tuned. Who knows, I might come up with some more. All right, I hope this was as educational for you as it was for me. I hope that you are getting something out of this video. And if you like it, please like, subscribe. Questions, leave a comment. And until next time, there might be an update too. See you now.